Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu hal adulukum ala tijaratin tunjikum min azabin alim. Tu'minuna billahi wa rasulihi wa tujahiduna fi sabilillahi bi amwalikum wa anfusikum zalikum khairul lakum in kuntum ta'lamun. The Honorable the Head of English Department, Mem Zulfitri SSMA, the Honorable Advisor, Reviewers, and all lecturers, the Honorable all audiences of this seminar. First of all, let's thank the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us some mercies and blessings so that we can attend this seminar without any troubles and obstacles. Secondly, salawat and salam may always be given to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam who has guided us from the darkness to the lightness. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Lara Moriza. I will be your master of ceremony of this seminar. On this occasion, allow me to introduce you to today's agenda. There are presentation, evaluation, answer and question session, and seminar proposal by reciting Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On today's seminar, we have 5 presenters. The first presenter is Jihan Salsabila. The first presenter is Maya Aulia with the title The Effect of Digital Storytelling Usage on Student Speaking Ability. The second presenter is Jihan Salsabila with the title The Effect of Using Partner Reading Strategy on Students' English Reading Comprehension Achievement. The third presenter is Sally Ariska with the title The Effect of Using Cartoon Film on Student English Vocabulary Mastery. The fourth presenter is Lely Julia Sari with the title The Effect of Using Short Story on Student English Reading Comprehension. And the last presenter is Siti Yohana with the title The Acquisition of English Vocabularies by 5 years old student through spelling bee game at DD2 Education Center. All presenters have a seat, please. Next agenda will be a presentation. For the first presentation will be conveyed by Maya Aulia with her advisor Mem Nurafni Siregar SPDM Home, with the first reviewer Mem Nur Laili SPDM Home, and the second reviewer Professor Ahmad Laut Hasibon MPD. To Maya Aulia, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Head of English Education Department, Mem Zulfitri SSMA, the Honorable Mem Nurhafni Siregar SPDM Home as my advisor, the Honorable Mem Nurlaili SPDM Home as my first reviewer, the Honorable Professor Ahmad Laut Hasibon MPD as my second reviewer, the Honorable all of my lecturers and the audiences. Thanks to the moderator who gave me this chance for present my research proposal. My name is Maya Aulia. Let me present my research proposal under the title The Effect of Digital Storytelling on Student Speaking Ability. Please follow me under the slide. Johanna, please. Well, the background of the problem in this research, the ability to master English in era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 is something that should be mastered. The importance of speaking ability for students, the low ability of students to speak in English. Digital storytelling can be used as a medium for learning English. Next. Based on the background of the problem, the identification of the problem consists of internal factors and external factors. Next. Based on the identification, the limitation of this research focus on external factors, the effect of digital storytelling usage on student speaking ability. Based on limitation of this research, the problem of this research is there a significant effect of the usage digital storytelling on student speaking ability at 11th grade of SMA Negeri 1 X Songsongan academic year 2021 and 2022. Next. Here, objective of the research to determine whether there is a significant effect of using digital storytelling on the speaking ability of 11 grade at SMA Negeri 1 X Songsongan. Here, the significance of this research. Next. Well, review of the literature. Here, the definition of speaking and the concept of speaking. Next. Here, the function of the speaking, the aims of the speaking, the types of speaking, and the content of the speaking. Next. Here, the definition of digital storytelling according to Robin 2016. Here, the teaching speaking activities using digital storytelling consists of teaching preparation and teaching procedure. Next. Here, hypothesis of the research, there is significant or there is no significant effect of using digital storytelling on student speaking ability. Next. Here, the method of this research will use experiment design, consists of experiment group and control group. The population, all students of class 11 at SMA Negeri Aik Songsongan, the total is 125 students, and sample consists of class 11 MIPA 1 and 11 MIPA 2. Next. Here, technique of collecting data consists of pre-test, treatment, and post-test. The instrument of this research consists of oral text and lesson plans. Next. Procedure of this research consists of planning, application, and reporting. And the technique of analyzing the data, calculating the student mean score of the pre-test and post-test, here the formula. Next. Thank you. I will back it to moderator.
Well, thank you, Maya, for the informative presentation. Next presentation will be conveyed by Jihan Salsabila with her advisor, Yusnita Nasution, SPD. Sorry. The next presentation will be conveyed by Siti Yohana with her advisor, Yulia Saria Rahab, SPD M.Hum. The first reviewer, Sir Dr. Andes Haji Muhammad Khalid M.Hum, and the second reviewer, Yusnita Nasution, SPD M.Hum. To Siti Yohana, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Head of English Education Department, Mem Zulfitri SSMA, the Honorable Mem Yulia Sari Rahab, SPD M.Hum, as my advisor, the Honorable Dr. Andes Haji Muhammad Khalid M.Hum, as my first reviewer, the Honorable Mem Yusnita Nasution, SPD M.Hum, as my second reviewers, the Honorable all of my lecturers, and the audience. thanks to the moderator who gave me this chance to present my research proposal. Let me I'm Siti Yohana. Let me present my proposal under the title, The Acquisition of English Vocabularies by 5-year-old Students through Spelling Bee Game at DD2 Education Center. Follow me under the slide. Chapter 1, the research background. We live in world of languages. We talk to our friends, parents, and even our enemies using language. It means that language is the ability that humans have to communicate with other humans. However, people are not born full of words, mastering grammar, and other language components. They have to get it from their parents, school, social life, and environment. Every child has a long process to acquire a language. In general, every child on average will develop vocabulary through the same stage, starting from crying, humming, babbling, saying one word, saying two words, and more than two words until they compose the sentences. This process is called the language acquisition. According to Kemuning 2017, in her research that language acquisition is a process human process to acquire the ability to capture, produce, and use words to understand and communicate. Several factors can affect personal language acquisition in learning a new language, such as age. Many researchers believe that languages have more potential than adults in languages. For when a child acquires a language, the first thing he gets is vocabulary. Language cannot separate from vocabulary. Vocabulary is a fundamental element for anyone who wants to learn a language, and it is one of essential for a language. However, many problems are found in the field, namely, when a student already knows a lot of vocabulary, they find it difficult to write and answer the exercises from vocabulary, such as detecting, filling in words, and random letters, and others correctly. Therefore, in this study, the researcher tries to analyze the English vocabulary acquisition of 5-year-old student through the Spelling Bee Game at DD2 Education Center. In this course, the teachers have a way to teach vocabulary to their students. One of them is by using games. The teachers use this game method because the game is very motivating and fun for language learners. Games can also provide excellent practice to improve pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and for language skills. The Spelling Bee Game is beneficial for 5-year-old students in learning vocabulary at DD2 Education Center. By using this game, students can memorize vocabulary and complete exercises on vocabulary such as dictating, filling in words, arranging letters, and others correctly. Therefore, the researchers interested in studying the title, The Acquisition of English Vocabulary by 5-year-old students through Spelling Bee at DD2 Education Center. Based on the background, the researcher identified the problem is this study. In the study, namely, the first is student difficulties in answering English vocabulary exercises at DD2 Education Center. The second is Spelling Bee Game is beneficial in acquiring language vocabulary for 5-year-old students at DD2 Education Center. And then this research is limited to acquiring of English vocabulary about part of body of 5-year-old student in DD2 Education Center. And based on the identification of the problem, the researcher formulates as the following. How is the process? How is the process of English vocabulary acquisition through Spelling Bee Game for 5-year-old students at DD2 Education Center? And the second is, what are the factors influence the student acquire their English vocabulary at DD2 Education Center? So the objective of this research is to describe the process of English vocabulary acquisition through Spelling Bee Game for 5 years old students, and to describe the factors influence children's English vocabulary acquisitions. The significance of this research. Theoretically, this research is expected to contribute and provide empirical evidence to support English vocabulary acquisition through the spelling bee game in 5 years old students. Hopefully, this research can provide information on language development and other researchers if they want to analyze the English vocabulary acquisition for our 5 years old students. Practically, for reader, the researcher hope this analysis is helpful for the readers to enrich their knowledge. And for the researchers, this research can increase knowledge and experience about children's language acquisitions. Basic assumption, the first is spelling bee game helps students to acquire English vocabulary at DD2 education centers. The second is acquiring English vocabulary through spelling bee games makes it easy for students at DD2 education center in completing exercises on vocabularies. Chapter 2. Vocabulary. According to INDA 2018, vocabulary is the basic of communication that people need to understand. The meaning of words and help them express ideas appropriately. Language acquisition. At least 1986 used the term acquisition and learning to distinguish whether a person has language skills through the acquisition or learning. Here the factors influence second language acquisition. The first is motivation, and the second is age, the third is attitude, the fourth is intelligence. And the process of second language acquisition have two ways from naturalistic SA, second language acquisition, and in a classroom environment. This is a stage that children language acquisition. The first stage, stage 1 is home language use. The stage 2 is silent period. The stage 3, telegraphic and formulatic speech. The stage 4, productive language. Children's vocabulary acquisition. Vocabulary acquisition is a process when children acquire words consciously during a classroom activities. So the role of teacher in the classroom is as transmitter and facilitator. Teaching English to children. According to Komoroska, 21 cited in Rajudin 2018 believe that teaching English to children have to be connected with concrete objects and situations that can be found within the child's sight. General concept of game. According to Klimova 2015, there are some definitions of game. One of them is an activity with rules, a goal, and element of fun. And here, definition of spelling bee game. According to Paira and Stefani, the spelling bee is one of the oldest educational contests in the United States of America. So here the advantage and disadvantage from the spelling bee game. The research method. So the design of this research use descriptive qualitative data and student of DD2 Education Center as the subject of the research, and source of the data observation. The first is observation in DD2 Education Center. The second is interview result of 5 parents and 1 teacher, and from the documentation result. Instrument of collecting data, the first is interview, the second is observation, and the third is documentation. Here is the data collection techniques. And here also the techniques for analyzing data. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back to the moderator.
Well, the third presentation will be conveyed by Jihan Salsabila with her advisor, Mem Yusnita Nasution, SPDM Hum. The first reviewer, Mem Nur Laili, SPDM Hum, and the second reviewer, Sir Dr. Haryanto, SSMS. Jihan Salsabila, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Head of English Education Department, Mem Zulfitri, SSMA. The Honorable Mem Yusnita Nasution, SPDM Hum, as my advisor. The Honorable Mem Nurlaili, SPDM Hum, as my first reviewer. The Honorable Dr. Haryanto, SSMS, as my second reviewer. The Honorable all of my lecturer and audiences. Thanks to moderator, give me to the opportunity. My research proposal. I am Jihan. Let me present my research proposal under the title, The Effect of Using Partner Reading Strategy on Students' English Reading Comprehension Achievement. Follow me under the slide. Introduction. Background of the problem. The importance of English as a word language, the purpose of teaching reading, the effectiveness teaching method. Reading is very important to learn. Identification of the problem. Students have difficulty understanding reading. The teacher doesn't use a good strategy. Limitation of the problem. The use of reading strategies and reading comprehension in hortatory exposition text at Mas YP Haji Datu Abdullah. Next. Formulation of the problem. Is there any effect of pirate reading strategy on students' reading comprehension achievement at Mas YP Haji Datu Abdullah? Objective of the problem, discover whether there is a significant effect of using pirate reading strategies on students' reading comprehension achievement. Significance of the problem, theoretically and practically, for students, for teachers, for other researchers. Basic assumptions, the pirate reading strategies has a significant effect on reading's comprehension achievement. Next. Review of literature, Liri Van Riches, Mila Delila, 221, Nopa Zoharo, 219, Widya Astuti, 213. Next. Definition of reading. According to Snow, reading is an active process of understanding prose text and graphics, and reading is a thought process. The purpose of reading, according to Greg William and Alfred Dika, the category of purpose of reading includes reading to search for simple information, reading to skim quickly, reading to learn from text, reading to integrate information, reading to word, reading to critical text, and reading for general comprehension. Reading comprehension based on Snow defines reading comprehension as a process of extracting and constructing meaning that involves reading length in line. Next. Definition of partner reading strategy. According to Messenger at Astuti, in partner reading, children are paired up to help and support each other in oral reading of connected text. Component of reading comprehension, decoding, fluency, vocabulary, sentence construction, and cohesion, reasoning, and background knowledge, working memory, and attention. The procedure of partner reading. Select readings and introduce the text to students. Pair students with other students. Make sure students understand the procedure for reading in pairs. Each member takes turns being a choice and a player initiate activities as a player and read orally. Next. Hortatory exposition text. Sitompul et al. Hortatory exposition text is a sort of written reading that explains to listeners or readers why something should or should not happen or be done in a certain way. Generic structure, thesis, arguments, recommendation. Language feature, using the simple present tense. Expressing arguments, there are relating verbs, modal verbs, thinking verbs, and action verbs. Using evaluative words such as important, valuable, and others, using passive voice or passive voice. The example, the danger of air pollution. Thesis, in my opinion, air pollution is a serious problem and dangerous for people. How do I say so? Argument. First, air pollution contains carbon monoxide that can disrupt the respiration system. Second, air pollution also can cause acid rain, which is dangerous to humans, animals, plants, and even buildings. In addition, air pollution also contributes to global warming. Recommendation, therefore, is clear that air pollution is dangerous and should be reduced as much as possible. Next. Methodology of research. Design of the research. This research, the research's quantitative through experimental design. Population in the study were students on kelas 11 Masjid Haji Datu Abdullah. The total population is 61 students. Sample researchers chose kelas 11 IPA as experimental class, many as 31 students, and 11 IPS as many as 30 students. Next. The instrument of collecting data. The instrument in this research use reading test of hortatory exposition text, technique of collecting data, pre-test, treatment, post-test. Technique of analyzing data. The data analysis technique used was the p-test. Thank you. Back to
the next presentation will be conveyed by Sally Ariska with her advisor, Sir Dr. Andus Haji Muhammad Khalid M. Hum. The first reviewer, Sir Haji Asnawi SPDM Hum, and the second reviewer, Sir Yugi Diraga Pariwata SPDM Hum. To Sally Ariska, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Honorable Head of English Education Department Menzul Fitri SSMA, the Honorable Sir Dr. Andus Haji Muhammad Khalid M. Hum, as my advisor, the Honorable Sir Haji Asnawi SPD M. Hum, my first reviewer, the Honorable is Yugi Diriga Prawiata SPD M. Hum, as my second reviewer, the Honorable all of my lecture and the audience. Thanks to the moderator who give me this chance to present a research proposal. I'm Sally Ariska. Let me present my research proposal under the title The Effect of Using Cartoon Film on Students' English Vocabulary Mastery. Please follow me under the slide. Introduction. Background problem to train students' vocabulary in speaking with cartoon film media. When to make it easier for students to learn to record vocabulary. Improve student learning by following the times. Many don't know that the meaning of word in the very movie they is see can improve their English vocabulary.
Identification of problem still is development of student vocabulary. The learning process still use only lacks of student motivation in learning. Next. Scope of problem. This result limits the problem to the effect to using cartoon film on student English vocabulary mastery. Formulation of the problems. Who is the effect problem with reaching and who is the effect after reaching cartons? Research purposes. Knowing the department of the influence of English-speaking junior high school student by having the scroll vocabulary before and after watching cartoon animation film, the benefits of research, theoretical, practical for research for students. Next. Literature review, theory of understanding, according to Ulfia Safratul Ula, the definition of film is story that are displayed on screen or electronic media, while the child are pictured with funny expressions. Research studies students English vocabulary, Geary Scrap vocabulary is element of language that has important roles in the department of language skill, which include speaking, listening, reading, and writing, which is a manifestation of the anti of feelings and roots that can be used in the in this use. Research hypothesis, variable X and Y, hypothesis HO, hypothesis HM. HO, there is an effect are using cartoon films on student use of English vocabulary. There is an effect of using cartoon films on student use of English vocabulary. Next. Research methods. Definition of quantitative methods. Qualitative research methods can be defined research methods based on the philosophy and positivism used to examine carton population of sample. Research design. The design of this research is quasi-experimental, which is used in this research is the non-equivalence control group design. In this research design, two groups will be used, namely the experimental and control group. Participants in the research were conclude at MTS YP Datu Abdullah Tanjung Merawah. The population in this research were all students of class 8-1 and 8-2 MTS YP Datuk Abdullah Tanjung Merawah, totaling 62 students. The sample in this research were two class costing to class 8-1 as an experimental class and class 8-2 as control class. Next. Variable, the influence of students' vocabulary department before using cartoon film media. After using cartoon film media, data collection technique, observation, interview, dokumentasi, data analysis, transcript, analysis data reduction, triangulation. Next. Thank you. Back to moderator.
Well, the last presentation will be conveyed by Lely Julia Sari with her advisor, Mem Yusnita Nasution SPDM Home, the first reviewer, Mem Dahlia Sirait SPDM Home, and the second reviewer, Ms. Nazriani Lubis SPDM Home. To Lely Julia Sari, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Head of English Education Department, Mem Juliet Fitri, SSMA, the Honorable Mem Yusnita Nasution, SPDM Home. As my advisor, the Honorable Mem Dahlia Sirait, SPDM Home. As my first reviewer, the Honorable Mem Nazriani Lubis, SPDM Home. As my second reviewer, the Honorable Lecturer and Audience. Thanks to moderator who give me the opportunity, my research proposal. I am Lely Julia Sari. Let me present my research proposal under the title, The Effect of Using Short Story on Student English Reading Comprehension Skill. Follow me under the slide. Introduction. Background of problem. Language is called linguistic kind, which is used as a means of communication with other humans using things such as word and motion. English is one of the subjects that students must learn from elementary to high school. Reading comprehension is considered and the real core for the reading process. Problem identification. Students still have inadequate vocabulary in understanding narrative text. Students only have the ability to read the text without knowing the message. Students have been taught reading comprehension. Next. Scope of problem. Based on the background above, the clarify the problem, it is important to organize scope of problem. Formulation of the problem. The formulation of the problem which is going to be discussed in this study based on the remission above is the use of short story effective towards student reading comprehension of narrative text. Research objective. The purpose of this study is to find out the empirical evidence of the effectiveness of using short story on student reading comprehension. Significance of the research, theoretical and particularly for student, for teacher, for other research. Next. Review of literature. Definition of reading. Understanding reading is an activity that would do to obtain of information. And from reading, we can know the main topic and the idioms concept in it. Definition of reading comprehension skill. According to cleaner reading comprehension, it's the process of costing meaning by coordinating a complex number of processes. This include word reading, word and word knowledge and function. Next. The purpose of reading comprehension. 1. Lecture standard. 2. Critical review. 3. Printed drama. 4. Pattern of fiction. Definition of short story. Short story are literature work in the form of writing that tell about a fictional story, then packaged, breathe, clearly, and concisely. Animal story, legend of short story novel. Next. Methodology of research. Design of research. This meant that there are two groups of students, namely the experimental group and the control group. Population is this into the first student of class MTSCP Haji Dato Abdullah. The total population 61 students which are divided into two classes. Sample research choose class 81 as many as 3 treating to student and 82 as many as 13 students, so the number of sample is 62 students. Next. Variable and indicator. Student ability to learn short story and student ability to answer English short story reading test. Data collection instrument. The instrument of this research is a short story reading test in English. Data collection technique. Pre-test, treatment, post-test. Data analysis technique. The data analysis the data using short story. Next. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Well, thank you for all of the presenters. Now we're going to the next session, which is the review session. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we finally come to the end of today's agenda. I would like to thank you to all reviewers and all lecturers. Thanks to the presenter for the informative and interesting presentation. And the last thanks to all the audiences for the very active participation. Thank you so much for your attention, and let's close this seminar by reciting Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Selamat bobo, selamat jumpa besok.